Welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to sell your house, you're at the right place. Today we're going to talk about some key upgrades that can make a huge difference at your home's appeal. Changing your countertops. I'm Jaskran Singh and you are at Diamond Granite Countertops. When it comes to selling your house, first impressions matter. Upgrading your countertop can completely transfer your kitchen or bathroom, instantly catch the eye of potential buyers. At Diamond Granite Countertops, we're here to guide you through the essential steps to consider before putting your house in the market. From luxury granite to sleek quartz, we offer a wide range of options. Consider the style and color that best complements your home's aesthetic and appeal to the potential buyer. Our expert will help you to choose a countertop that balances elegance, durability, and functionality. We understand that time and budget are important factors when selling your house. Our skilled team at Diamond Granite Countertops ensure a seamless installation, minimizing disruptions and maximizing efficiency. We will work with your schedule to complete the project promptly so you can showcase your upgraded countertop to potential buyers. Once your new countertops are installed, it's time to showcase your kitchen and bathroom to its fullest potential. Clear off the clutter, add some fresh flowers or decorative items, and let your countertop shine as a centerpiece. Remember, a well-staged house can evoke the emotions and make the buyers fall in love with your house. At Diamond Granite Countertop, we take a pride at exceptional craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. With two convenient locations at Brampton and London, we are here to make your countertop upgrade a success. So if you're ready to elevate your home's appeal, make a lasting impression on a potential buyer, contact us at Diamond Granite Countertop. You can reach us at 905-457-0008 for Brampton location and 519-455-6868 for London location. Let's make your countertop transformation dreams a reality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe our channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates on latest tips and offers. Until next time, this is Jaskran Singh from Diamond Granite Countertops, wishing you a successful home selling journey.